How to add leads from WhatsApp. In HelloLeads CRM application, open your HelloLeads CRM mobile application. Click on Manage List from menu. And then click plus icon to create a list for capturing WhatsApp inquiries. Then, click on Add Leads from menu. Click on Add Leads from WhatsApp logs. Select the type of WhatsApp account installed in your device. The inquiries from WhatsApp can be captured either manually or automatically. If you choose automatic mode, select the list where the inquiries need to be captured. Now, when a new inquiry comes via WhatsApp, it will be automatically added as a lead in the chosen list. The lead details can be edited and updated as per the sales process. If you chose lead capture mode as manual, when a new WhatsApp inquiry comes, you can review and add the lead by clicking the plus icon. Choose Add from WhatsApp logs. And then add the lead from logs by entering basic details. The lead will be added to your list. Thank you for choosing HelloLeads CRM. For more information, visit www.helloleads.io.